Step 1. Left-click Apple icon. Left-click System Preferences. Step 2. Left-click Keyboard. Left-click Input Sources. Check Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. To confirm Input Menu in Menu Bar. Step 3. Left-click plus as in this video. Left-click Japanese. Left-click Japanese. Left-click Add. Step 4. Left-click Shortcuts. Left-click Input Sources. To confirm change input method, keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus space. Step 5. Open browser for demo purpose. Left-click search. Hold press Ctrl, then press space to change between Romaji, Hiragana, Katakana. Use the Romaji, Hiragana, Katakana input method for demo. Step 6. Left-click Input Sources. Left-click Japanese. Left-click full-width Romaji and half-width Katakana, as in this video. To enable them, hold press Ctrl, then press space to use them. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.